And because he established all these educational institutions, including IILM also, which is a pioneer in management education, he was conferred a doctorate by Bradford University from UK. You know, one thing personal I must tell you at the end. Mr. Kulwant Roy, whenever anybody met him, he will be full of smiles. He will be the first person to talk to you. He will not wait for you to accost him. He will not wait for you to smile first. He will smile first. This is praised as a great quality of Lord Rama. Lord Rama, whenever he met somebody, whenever he saw somebody coming from the opposite direction, he will be the first person to smile. He will be the first person to open the conversation. I have experienced it personally with Mr. Kulwant Roy. He will not wait for you to smile at him. He will smile first. It's a great quality. Smiling itself is a great quality. Do you know that there are 84 lakhs of varieties of creations in the world, and out of these 84 lakhs of varieties of creation, only man alone can smile. You just think over, can any other animals smile? Dog cannot smile. Even when a dog is very happy, it can only wag its tail. It cannot smile. Likewise, no other animal in the world can smile. Man alone can smile. Because man is evolving. Smiling itself is divine. Smiling means expressing one's joy. Smiling means expressing one's happiness. Expressing one's love. That is very important for all of us. That itself is a great quality. He used to smile at everyone who is meeting him, and he was such a great soul. And normally we condole the passing away of somebody who is very dear to us. But in our Shastras it is mentioned that when a person dies after attaining the age of 70 or more, when he has contributed a lot for the welfare of others, when he has achieved something in his life, then his death has to be celebrated, because others have to live such a life up to that age and beyond. He lived up to the age of 87 and he contributed a lot, and he died a glorious person. All of us, we had great respect for him. He was the president of the Delhi State Satya Sai Samiti. I used to interact with him in that capacity also, because I am a Sai devotee. I have found him a man full of love. With these words, I offer my tribute to Dr. Kulwant Roy and express my thanks to this institution for calling me to share my views. A person who was very, very close to Mr. Kulwant Roy. Though there was a big age difference between me and him, he treated me with a great love personally. With these words, I take your leave. Thank you. Thank you.